Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix iCloud email not receiving emails. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, it's pretty easy and basic. First of all guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to launch the settings app in your iPhone. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on your Apple ID, and now from here guys you can easily see here iCloud option. So from here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on that. Now after that guys, you can easily see here guys iCloud mail option. Just simply have to tap on that. So here you have to put your email address. So let me put the email address guys. So you have to put the email address here, and after that guys you have to tap on continue. So from here guys you can easily see confirm email address. So guys, if you want to set this email as iCloud mail, just simply have to confirm this one, tap on that, and after that guys it will be confirmed. So after confirming it guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to go back, and from here guys what you need to do is just simply you have to search for fetch. So let me search here guys. You can easily see here guys fetch new data. Tap on that. From here guys you have to tap on that and just simply have to turn on the push for that one. So that's pretty much for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.